Hi guys, my name is Andrea Moje and I am the owner of Glitter Sticks. I wanted to show you really fast how to use the product and just give you a little bit of knowledge about it. Okay, so when you're opening the glitter stick, it has a little safety. If you put your finger down on it here, it comes open just like that, and the lid pops right off. Take the bottom, give it a little twist. Now, you don't want to apply this directly from the stick because it has shards of glitter in here that are different size texture. So some of them may be stars, some may be hexagons, and you don't want that sharp to go right on here. So you just take your finger, take a little piece over it. You can apply it directly to the skin. And since it's a balm, it moves. It's very soft and scented. And you can put it right over the top of the paint without it smudging. This one happens to be Cleopatra.